So look at this. So I ordered this 4 days ago. I saw a Facebook ad that was targeted at me, and I do not know how to pronounce this name. It's Sabinetek Technology, and this is what happened. What is this? This is a wireless Bluetooth mic. How it works? Very simple. Let me just open this. I saw the ad. I thought that the mic is that big, but you know what? I open this. Look at this. It's just tiny small. Let me take this out. It's a bit hard and I do not know how. But I will DIY. I'll get it out. So you see, open the plastic cover. And there you go. Oh my god. See? There's this tiny little thing. The Sabinetek mic. You can buy one, you can buy two. The website allows you to buy twin pack in case you do an interview online, podcast or what. Look at this. That's the latest technology, a wireless mic that is Bluetooth linked to your iPhone or Android. Most importantly, you don't have a long wire that prevents you from moving around. So I'm going to test it out. So the next few videos that I'm posting online, I'm going to use this new toy. So stay tuned. Jack here signing off. Bye.